Hello one and all. Today I am going to discuss about Introduction to Discrete Mathematics. Myself K. Pushpa Rani, Associate Professor, Department of CSE, MLR Institute of Technology. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about the 4 topics. First topic is what is discrete mathematics? Why we need to study discrete mathematics? What are the applications of discrete mathematics? Who should learn discrete mathematics? We are going to discuss about these 4 topics in today's lecture. Let us discuss about what is discrete mathematics. Discrete mathematics is a branch of mathematics. So in the case of mathematics, there are different types of mathematics, that is a linear algebra, then probability, statistics. There are different types of mathematics is also there. So, discrete mathematics is a branch of mathematics that deals with the discrete object. What is meant by discrete object means there is no relation between this object and this object. These are not interconnected. These are distinct objects. For example, person is one object. Person is one object and employee is one object. There is a relation is there between person and employee because both are person. But coming to the discrete object, there is no relation between the two objects. For example, consider the person, another one is the animal. These two objects are not connected. That is nothing but a discrete object. There is no relation between the two objects. There are distinct objects. Consider, for example, number of students in a class. For example, if you consider any class like CSE, the total strength is 60. We can say that 60, but we can't say that 60.1, 60.2 like that. Okay, so this is nothing but a discrete object. For example, height of the student in a class. One student having 5.5, another student having 5.4. So there is a 5.4, 5.5, there is a continuity is there, 5.3. This is a continuous object. This is the continuous object. This object is a continuous object. Number of students in a class is a particular value. That is the discrete object. All the digital clocks are coming under discrete object. All the analog clocks are coming under continuous object. Because in case of digital clock, the numbers are like that, 12, 1, 2, 3 like that. But in case of analog, so it can shows the time, hours, minutes and also seconds. Hours, minutes and second. Next second will be 0.3 to 34. That is next second will be 34. There is a continuity is there. So discrete mathematics is nothing but it is a branch of mathematics that deals with the discrete object. Discrete object means there is no relation between one object to another object. Why we need to study discrete mathematics? The first reason is it is a very good tool for improving the reasoning. Because there is so many logical thinking problems are present in the discrete mathematics. To solve those examples, we need a logical thinking is required. That logical thinking is helpful for improving the reasoning and problem solving capability. And the second one is it is an important subject in the branch of mathematics and computer science. And the third reason why we need to study discrete mathematics, it is an important subject for the people who are preparing for the competitive examinations like a GATE, NET, SET or any public sector examination. This subject is useful. Coming to the third one, applications of discrete mathematics. In which areas we are using discrete mathematics? So many areas are there we can use discrete mathematics, but let us discuss about some important applications of discrete mathematics. For example, if you write any code, any programming code like a C program, okay, so C program consisting of hash include stdio.h. It is in the form of high level language. High level language is not understandable for the missions. Okay, it should be converted into binary format. Binary format is nothing but zeros and ones. In the case of computers can run the software and they can store the files in that form of zeros and ones. It is a discrete structure. Next, second application is suppose in the case of hospital, we can store the patient database. Okay, patient database. So to store the patient database, we can store the information like what is the name of the patient. So what is the disease he is suffering or is suffering. So all these details are maintained in the database. These database can be effectively managed with the help of the discrete mathematics. That is the second application of discrete mathematics. Coming to the third application, in case of Google Maps, we can find the distance between source to destination, or we can use, with the help of Google Maps, we can find the route from which place to which place you want to go. You have to find the route with the help of Google Map. To find the route from source to destination, we need to find out, always we are concentrating on the shortest path. How the shortest path will be constructed? With the help of discrete mathematics. Discrete mathematics, with the help of discrete mathematics, we can find the shortest path from source to destination. And the next application is, so we can send a mail, an email from you to your friend. If you want to transfer a mail, you can write some subject and you can write some from address and to address. So during this transmission, the data will be hid. Okay, how the data will be hid and how the receiver can receive the data, that is a part of cryptography. In the case of cryptography, we can do the encryption and decryption. De-encryption means nothing but hiding the original text at the receiver side. We can retrieve the same data. So in the case of encryption and decryption, there is a different types of formats we can use. Okay, suppose if you send 1, 2, 3, hello. This message will be encrypted by using different combination. The different combinations and permutations are present in the discrete mathematics. And also, next application is designing the password. What is the password criteria? Sometimes password criteria is different users can use different passwords like a 123 @ABC. So different combinations we can use, or different types of combinations are possible. How we can do the combinations? It is a one type of counting problem. So for 3 letters, you can create any number of passwords. Okay, that is the counting problem. The counting problem is a part of the discrete mathematics. And also in the case of data structures, we can use trees, graphs, arrays. All these are the fundamental concepts which are present in the discrete mathematics. These are the applications of discrete mathematics. Who should learn discrete mathematics? To whom it is important for the whom it is important for whom. So first one is a